This is the Star Learning Series. We're going to do the alphabet letter J. The sound is J. J for jump. Say the sound and words after me. J. Jump. The little girl can jump. J. Jaw. This is my jaw. J. Jack. My name is Jack. J. Jog. I jog to school every morning. J. Job. The man has a job as a dentist. J. Judge. A judge works in the courthouse. J. Judo. Her brother goes to judo classes every Thursday. J. Jealous. The clown is jealous he did not win the race. J. Jug. Mommy keeps the juice in the jug. J. Juice. The juice is in the jug. J. Jelly. I like to eat jelly with my ice cream. J. Jam. He spreads the jam on his bread. J. Jersey. My sister bought a new jersey. J. Jacket. My mom wears a jacket to work. J. Jeans. He has a pair of blue jeans.
Well done.
J. Jumbo jet. My auntie flies in a jumbo jet. J. Jewelry. She keeps all her jewelry in a box. J. Johannesburg. Johannesburg is a city in Gauteng. J. January. January is the first month of the year. June. June is the sixth month of the year. July. July is the seventh month of the year. Japan. People who live in Japan are called Japanese. Jellyfish. The jellyfish swims in the deep blue ocean. Joey. A joey is a baby kangaroo. Jaguar. A jaguar lives in the jungle. Jack Russell. A Jack Russell is a type of dog. Junk. He puts all the rubbish and junk into a bag. Jenny. A female turkey is called a jenny. Joints. These are my joints. Jackhammer. He uses the jackhammer to break up the cement. I am a star. Well done. Give yourself a hug.